Hi everybody, welcome to Python Coders. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to code an Among Us character in Python. So basically by the end of these 4 videos, you'll be able to draw your own Among Us character and change it to whatever your whatever color your character is. So in this first video, I'm just going to show you some basic commands in something called turtle graphics. Turtle graphics is basically a Python library, which, if you haven't seen my spirit animal quiz video, is basically a certain set of code that you can import into your program to use more specific things. So in this case, we want Python to have more capabilities in terms of drawing. So once we import Turtle, then it's going to basically help us to use more commands. So all I'm going to do is just do File, New File. And then I am going to type at the top of my screen, import turtle. So now basically we have something called turtle graphics, and which will really help us draw this Among Us character. So after that, I'm going to, so you can see, I'm just going to type turtle.forward 100 pixels, basically. So I'm just going to save this as, I'm just going to save it as turtle test. .py, and I'm going to save that in my Python work. So then once I run this, we have this little window with this little turtle that's moved from here to here. So I'm going to go back to this. As you can see, our turtle starts facing towards the right, and it's moving forward 100 pixels. So let's say now that we want to draw a square. So we can do turtle.forward, and then now we would need to turn it to the left by 90 degrees. So we're just going to type turtle.left 90. We're going to do turtle.forward 100. So what this should do is move our turtle forward, turn it to the left, and then move it forward another 100 pixels. So let's see what it does. Okay, there we go. So it's moved this way, and it's turned and moved up. So basically all we're going to do now is just do that multiple times. So we're just going to do turtle.left 90, turtle.forward 100, turtle.left 90, and turtle.forward 100. So now let's see what it looks like. So it's gone forward, it's turned, it's gone forward, it's turned, it's gone forward, it's turned, and it's gone down. So now we've made a square. So you might have noticed as I was typing this out, I had to write turtle a bunch of times. So I had to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. I had to write turtle dot something. So at the top of my screen, I'm going to type t equals turtle dot capital T-U-R-T-L-E. So all it's going to do is, instead of typing turtle.forward, turtle.left, I'm just naming my turtle T. Now you can name your turtle whatever. You can name it Bob. You can name it T. You can name it, honestly, whatever you want. I'm just naming it T. So then now I can delete all of this. So it just says T.forward, T.left. Okay, so now if we run it, it's going to do the same exact thing, except that we have less, our code is less lengthy. So now I'm going to show you guys how to draw a circle. So all you're going to do to draw a circle is just put t.circle. Then you're going to put the size of your circle. So with basically the radius of your circle. So I'm going to put a radius of 10. And then, as you can see, we've made a little tiny circle. So the larger that you put your radius, like let's say you make one of that has a radius of 100. Now we have a bigger circle, and then you can make this as big or small as you want. So the last thing I'm going to show you in this video is how to set the speed of your turtle. So right now, our turtle is kind of going slow. We can see it, and it's going like pretty slow around the circle. So I'm going to type here is just t.speed 0. So 0 is the fastest you can go. So the higher the number, the slower the turtle will be. So right now, if I run it, you can't even see the turtle doing it. It's going super, super fast. So when we draw our Among Us character, we're going to use this speed so that we don't have to watch our turtle draw the entire character, because that'll take a long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. If you have any questions or ideas for new videos, put them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to address them. Happy programming!